Alright, here we got a 2015 BMW. If you trying to do those lower bushing for the control arm, I'm gonna show you how to remove that and the tools you're gonna need. The tools you're gonna need is a H17 for the big nut that goes right here, Allen key, 8mm to remove all those little ones for the plastic right here, and you need a T40 torque for the bolt that hold the ball joints. You gotta hold it on the top and do it by hand with another 21mm. All right, so you're gonna remove that first. Remove your 18mm. Yeah, I forgot that one. So 18mm to remove it from here. Once you remove your plastic, then you're gonna remove the outer tie rod from here. Once you remove that, you can turn your wheel all the way to the left. Then the axle is gonna come out like that. And now you can remove, levántame aquí. Now you can remove the whole control arm by lifting it like just like that. And now if you got the whole piece like that, you can just replace it. In my case, I'm gonna have to press this out and press the new one in. All right, and that's how you do it. All right, so you might be asking yourself, how do I know when my bushings are bad? So if you see any liquid coming out, like this one is, this is called fluid injector joint. So if you see that leaking like that, they're on the way. Alright, so pressing this thing, we had a little struggle. It started bending in. So what I did, I took a sawzall and I cut it in the inside without touching the bottom of the actual arm. And now I'm hitting it with a hammer. I'm hitting it with a hammer and a screwdriver just to release the pressure. And as you can see, I didn't even touch it. Alright, so let's see if we can press the new one in with no problem. Pay attention with that little line right there, because that has to do with the alignment. You gotta make sure you have that line in the same spot. If not, you're gonna have the thing out of whack. Alright, that's how it look finished. Good. Just make sure you got 3/4 on both sides. Mileage 44.